the non-cooperation movement for us teachers against the government. Because time and again, we are the one who are being deprived of our rights, as has been mentioned by our Sir President. Even the salary also, it has been pending for nearly 5 months now. And it has been since long, right from the time, that is from December onwards. Till now, we have been harassed by the state government in giving us many activities that we have to do and fulfill time and again. And we are the one that time and again we are being deprived of what is due for us, and that is the salary. But time and again, as we see that the government use us in many of the activities that we have to fulfill. Just to name a few, the activities such as teacher self-assessment, then we have the Swachh Vidyalaya Puraskar, then even the COVID vaccination drive also they involve teachers in it. And also then we have this training on TSAP, to name a few. So we are the one, time and again, we have suffered a lot because just like I've told you about our salary, and then time and again we are being told that this is compulsory that we have to do. So now we are asking the government, okay, time and again we are the one who are being suppressed. So time and again you ask us to go for this training. So who will bond for us regarding the expenditure that we have to go through to all these training and all. So we request the government to hear our cry and to deal with our issue, to solve our problem, okay, for this cause, okay, to make themselves available for us, not only to use us many of the times regarding on all these activities that is involved. So thank you.